The responsibility actually rests with both of them and also partly with the regulator because the customer has to feel responsible in terms of what level of debt he or she can contract and the lenders have to basically act responsibly in assessing what level of debt is sustainable by the customer and what is reasonable in terms of repayment period and the kind of profit or interest rates that are charged. Now, the regulator has stepped in about 4 or 5 years ago, and we're seeing regulations coming in, which is effectively controlling the rate of expansion of this market quite effectively. And the banks are also acting quite responsibly. We are running. We were the first ones to start using the bureau. We apply the debt burden cap on the total payments that the customer has, while some of the market players are being selective in terms of how to use the bureau and for what kind of customers they use the bureau on. So the responsibility is, I guess, mixed between the regulator, the bank and the customers. More importantly, to understand in a very customer-friendly kind of a way as to the cause of the missed payment. And if there is a genuine capacity issue because of a life event, the customer losing a job or some other personal event, they can work with the customer and agree on a deferment, on a restructure or a reschedule. And banks generally, do this quite effectively in the early stages of delinquency. We in Adeeb offer a free payment holiday to customers, a deferment if there is a job loss, and it's offered to everybody. All we need to know is some kind of a proof that the customer actually lost a job, and we offer that payment period, and it's for 6 months, which is long enough, I guess, for the customer to be able to find another alternative job and then start paying again. So a very conciliatory kind of an approach to understand what the problem is and then go in with a tailored solution.